Morning, everyone. Here we go again. So, welcome to my daily vlog. I just woke up. I decided to wake up early because I need to break the system again. To break that system, I need to wake up 3 times super early. So, body will understand after that I'm, doing something different and gonna prepare for the next time. Yeah. So I was in the hospital for days, and I was super surprised when it happened and shocked, but I handled everything right. I hope so. Anyway, I'm here, and let's start this day. Okay, I finished all of my small tasks, and I'm gonna exercise a little with the resistance band. I would love to use the boxing bag and jumping rope, but it's super early, and I don't want to disturb my neighbors yet. So yeah, and it's really good for my muscle and joints since I have a problem with my elbow and knee. Okay. Finish my workout. It's 6:40. I'm gonna prepare my kids. I'm gonna take a shower after, probably. Yeah, stay with me. Morning, everyone. Aisha. 7 a.m. I'm in. Встаем. Good morning. Встаем. Ali, let's go, bro, let's go. Ты турел, что ли? Ты что падаешь? Носик сделай. Какой ты крутой.
Она не похожа на мой размер. Он не похож на мой размер.
Возьмем другие. Сейчас мы пойдем, мой хороший, пошли. Все. Али, скажи хорошего дня. Нормально, скажи хорошего дня. Да. Все, детишки, я вас заберу.
Папа.
Я знаю.
Я посмотрел.
Thank you. Yes, I'm home. What are we doing today? Okay, I have a little project here. I need to somehow place these panels on the wall. Why I'm saying somehow? Because I don't know how. So I'll find the right guy. our garage project. Yeah, big headache. And I'm late. I'm late to pick up Amin. When I'm late, I'm taking this car because I'm allowed to drive on the fast track. Hopefully, in 20 minutes I'll be there. Almost done. I'm pretending that I did everything. Of course I am. I'm tired. You know what? I think it's enough for today. I need to clean this mess, fix some stuff, organize all of that trash. Why I need to organize the trash? Doesn't matter. I'm just tired. See you tomorrow.